We're at Camping World. We're gonna look at some campers, if for no other reason, but just to enjoy it and have fun. It's a beautiful sunny day. We got Highway 98 heading towards Pensacola. I turn back the other way. Highway 98 heading to Destin, Panama City. Nice sunny day here, and I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you the other side. So this is Camping World. We're gonna go in and see if we don't get attacked by the salesman like a lot of mosquitoes. We'll see just how they do. So, work my way in here. My wife said she had to go to the powder room. We'll see if that's where she went. I got the car locked up. I'm gonna look at a few units and see what's going on here today. This is Tuesday, I believe about February 25th. And here it is. So we're gonna try. Coming past a few units right now. We're gonna go look at some small stuff in here. So Mr. Payton is walking us through. And we're just gonna take a look here. Lots to look at. I don't know what we'll be able to look at, but we'll check a few out, see what's going on today. We're actually going to look at a fifth wheel or two and some bumper pulls. He's going to show us the bumper pull first. It's a beautiful day out here. You're going to see some stuff that's outstanding. Got some biggies. North Point, huge. Solitude. I'm going to shut this off soon. We'll see what we can get, but I don't want to seem rude as we're doing this. I see that hawk eagle. Beautiful. The 26 RK Forest River Vibe. We just looked at this one. Had good space inside of the bedroom. A really nice enlarged bathroom and a spacious living room. The freezer for the refrigerator and the microwave were a little high, so we are going to look at some others because Samantha can't reach them. Take a quick look at this Cougar because I asked to look at a fifth wheel. We're going to check this out. I think I'm going to leave the camera running for a minute. Okay, this is the 2700 BH. I'm gonna leave this on for a minute.
Listen, I have to get some school.
Okay, so. Oh, the refrigerator's lower. That's nice.
Oh, it is.
There's storage up there. And of course a mirror. And a chair. Small television, more storage.
Oh, there's like a small bunk.
Okay. How many? 3 bunks?
There's one on the bottom.
Okay, she says there's 3 bunks. I'm gonna slip over here. I'll go up the steps. The bathroom has a small vanity. Stand-up shower with the skylight and a fan and a toilet. A little tight. And then the bedroom which is upstairs. Something you have to get a feel for by coming in. It has an air conditioner here too. And then it has the storage and a miniature TV, just enough to be able to kind of understand what you're watching, like a tablet. So looking back again, there we go. And all of the controls. This is a 28 footer, and the table, which moves all over the place. I've got a seat here. I'm sitting on a seat, fireplace, full size, well, good size fridge, not full size. Gas stove, island, and this is a half-ton towable fifth wheel. There is no bed in the backside. It has a bedroom with a walk-through, pass-through hall, so you can walk around the TV, come back, and it's got a corner shower, commode, porcelain commode, and vanity with a skylight. Looks like a fantastic fan. That's a fantastic fan. It is. So we've just left. Let me flip this around this way. We're leaving Camping World. We've looked at lots of units and learned a few things and got some of the prices. It's still a beautiful day out. We have to go get some lunch. We have not had any lunch or breakfast other than a couple muffins, but we wanted to have some fun. What was that?
We're gonna go do laundry.
Oh yeah, we gotta do laundry too. But so we'll leave you with this, and that's our video for Camping World. I didn't show you a lot of insides, but I didn't want to be rude to the salesman. So we're gonna let it go here, and bye-bye from Florida.